Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Android version and at least 500 MB free storage, and sign into a Google account so services can sync. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and background data to allow downloads and updates. This prevents interruptions. Next, open Settings then Apps, locate Google Play Services, and tap to view permissions. You do this now so the app can register correctly, grant required permissions, and proceed to the installation and update steps. You should update Google Play Services through the Play Store. Search for Google Play Services and tap Update to ensure compatibility with apps. If the update stalls, go back to Settings, clear cache and storage for Play Services, then restart the device. This resets temporary errors. Once restarted, open Play Services, confirm permissions like location and storage are allowed, and make sure battery optimization is disabled for it if you need background sync. These steps stabilize app behavior, and you finish by testing functionality. Open an app that depends on Google Play Services, such as Maps, and confirm features work. If you see persistent errors, remove and re-add your Google account, then reboot to force a fresh sync. This often resolves authentication issues. As a last resort, check for system update and reinstall the Play Services APK from a trusted source. Make sure to match your device architecture. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing cache, rebooting, and re-authenticating fixes most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.